Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. This is our current affairs session. Today is 10th August 2020. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination, so try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe to the channel. As per you know, this was our previous two questions. Our first question was India's first Kisan Rail was begun from Maharashtra to which state? Odisha, Bihar, Goa, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer here is option B, Bihar. India's first Kisan Rail will run between Devlali in Maharashtra's Nasik to Danpur in Bihar. Okay, it is run between Maharashtra to Bihar. The train will cover 1519 kilometer in 31 hours. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Bihar is in news. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar and Fagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. Okay. Our second question was, who has been appointed as new chairman of UPSC? Pradeep Joshi, Sanjay Singh, K. Gupta, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Pradeep Joshi. Option A is correct here. Recently, Pradeep Joshi has been appointed as the new chairman of the UPSC. He will succeed the Arvind Saxena and achieve the position of the chairman of UPSC. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has won the Prem Bhatia Award 2020? Dipankar Ghosh, Anil Bhalluri, Sanjay Kundu, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Dipankar Ghosh. Dipankar Ghosh has won the Prem Bhatia Award for political reporting for his work on the issue related to the COVID-19. Okay, a famous journalist Dipankar Ghosh recently got the Prem Bhatia Award 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who topped the Future Brand Index 2020? Samsung, Reliance, Apple, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Apple. Recently, Apple topped the position of the Future Brand Index 2020. The CEO of the Apple is Tim Cook. Tim Cook is the CEO of Apple. The headquarters of the Apple is situated in Cupertino, California, US. Okay, and Apple is founded in 1976. In 1976, 1st April, Apple is founded. Okay, and in the Future Brand Index 2020, Reliance got the second position and Samsung got the third position in the Future Brand Index 2020. So remember it, Apple get the first position, Reliance got the second position, and Samsung got the third position in the Future Brand Index 2020. Okay. Next question. Padma Shri awardee Mukund Lat passed away. He was a famous historian, politician, artist, athlete. The correct answer here is option A, historian. Mukund Lat, a prominent culture historian, scholar, passed away recently. He got Padma Shri on 2010. He got Padma Shri on 2010. Padma Shri awardee Mukund Lat recently passed away, and he was famous as a historian, and he got the Padma Shri award in 2010. You can see the image of Mukund Lat here receiving Padma Shri from the former president Pranab Mukherjee. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. LIC has acquired close to how much percentage share holding in the Yes Bank? 4, 5, 6, 7. The correct answer here is 5. Option B is correct here. LIC has acquired close to 5% shareholding in Yes Bank by purchasing share from the open market. Okay, the chairman of the LIC is recently M.R. Kumar. M.R. Kumar is the chairman of LIC now, and recently LIC has acquired about 5% stake of the Yes Bank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. With which of the following NHI signed an MOU to set up Center of Excellence COE? IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay. The correct answer here is IIT Delhi. Option A is correct here. National Highway Authority of India and IIT Delhi have signed an MOU to set up a Center of Excellence for advanced data management system for highway. For advanced data management system of highway, recently IIT Delhi and NHAI, National Highway Authority of India, signed an MOU. Okay, who is the road transport minister of our India? Nitin Gadkari is the Union Road Transport and NHAI minister of our India. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Who has been selected for the Chemical Research Society of India Bronze Medal 2021? Dr. Arun Goyal, Dr. Srihari Paparaj, Dr. Rajat Kumar. Option A, none of these. The correct answer here is Dr. Srihari Paparaj. Option B is correct here. Dr. Srihari has selected for the Chemical Research Society of India Bronze Medal 2021. A senior scientist of the CSIR. Dr. Srihari Paparaj recently selected for the Chemical Research Society of India Bronze Medal 2021. You can see the image of Dr. Srihari Paparaj here. Next question. Question number 7. Which state has approved 5% reservation to the more backward classes? Gujarat, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer here is option C, Rajasthan. Recently, the Rajasthan government has approved 5% reservation to the more backward classes. Okay, Rajasthan is in news. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Chief Minister of the Rajasthan recently is Ashok Gehlot, and Kalraj Mishra is the governor of Rajasthan. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 8. In which state will India's first snow leopard conservation center be opened? Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer here is Uttarakhand. Option B is correct here. India's first snow leopard conservation center will be opened in Uttarkasi Forest Division in Uttarakhand, where it is in Uttarkasi Division of Uttarakhand. Okay, the center will be built up by the Uttarakhand Forest Department along with the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, United Nations Development Program, and Uttarakhand Forest Department jointly developed the snow leopard conservation center. Okay, Uttarakhand is in news. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Dehradun is the winter capital, and Garson is the summer capital. Chief Minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat, and Governor is Baby Rani Moria, is the Governor of Uttarakhand. Okay, I hope you got the facts now. Next question. Sadia Delvi passed away. She was related to which of the following field? Journalism, writing, politics, sports. The correct answer here is writing. Option B is correct here. Sadia Delvi recently passed away and she was related to field of writing. You can see the image of Sadia Delvi here. Next question. Question number 10. Which of the following has announced its partnership with NSTC? Simply Learn, UpGuide, Udemy. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Simply Learn. Option A is correct here. Recently, Simply Learn, a global provider of digital skill training, has announced its partnership with National Skill Development Council. NSTC stands for National Skill Development Council. Okay, the Simply Learn will host more than 1,000 hours of free learning in digital skill and technology. More than 1,000 hours of free learning in digital skill and technology. Recently, NSTC and Simply Learn is got partnership. Okay, for digital training. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, which country will host ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021? Our second question is, Maharashtra government ties up with whom to start virtual classes? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit educational link, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thereby you can get the notification very fast. Stay connected with educational wing for your better preparation. Thank you.